Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to shoot a Valentine's Day skincare routine, and now here I have first washed my face using my Nivea skin refining scrub, and after which I'll be using the Cleanz charcoal nose strips. This is very helpful in removing blackheads, and you want to make sure before the big day you really want to have your blackheads removed and you want your skin and pores to be very clean. And this is how the sheet comes out. You want to dampen your nose first with a little bit of water, and then apply this small mask onto your nose. And this is the way you need to apply this. You first need to stick it onto your nose, and then you want to take a little bit of water and drop a few drops on your nose till the mask is completely stuck to your nose. And as you drop the water, it will turn into a black color, just like so. So as you are doing this, you just want to make sure you are adjusting the masks, just to make sure that it literally goes into the corners of your nose. And you want to leave this on for about 15 minutes as guided in the packaging. And after 15 minutes, here I am removing the mask. It becomes really hard and you want to lift a little bit from the edges, and you just like this, you can see how it's removing the blackheads from my nose. You want to peel that off very gently from the corners, and this is how you will remove. You can see how everything has come out, most of it at least, and whatever residue is left, you want to make sure you're just cleaning that with a wet wipe or with a wet makeup removing pad. And now I'm using the avocado sheet mask and just placing this on my face and making sure each part of my face is covered with this mask. And once this is done, you want to leave this for about 10 minutes as such. And this mask is really great. It instantly moisturizes your face. And once I remove this mask after 10 minutes, I will just remove the sheet and I will just rub that gently all over my face so that whatever is left is applied on my skin. And this instantly brings out the moisture in your face and gives a glow from within. As you can see, I'm showing you the close-up and see how instantly this moisturized my face. And till this dries, I'm just going to slowly pat this on my face with gentle motions, patting motions. Once that is done, I'm using the Body Shop Oils of Life facial oil and using a couple of drops and warming this up in my palm, and I'm going to pat this all over my skin. You see what difference it makes on my face. It really makes my face plump and nice. And now followed with, I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge Cream and applying this all over my face. And for any big day and for Valentine's Day makeup, for any major makeup that you want to do, you want to prep your skin this way, and your makeup is going to really glide on very smoothly, and it kind of gives you a very natural glow from within. You can see how radiant my skin and slightly brightened, and how clear, and mostly it is so moisturized and gives a very healthy glow to your skin. You really don't want to forget your hands and feet, so for that I'm using the Vaseline Intensive Care and applying that on my arms, hands and feet. And once this is done, that's it. So this is how you can get a healthy glowing skin for the big day that's coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.